Welcome to the Unity 5.x 2D Game Development Project video course by Pact Publishing. My name is Alistair Ruane and I'm going to be the voiceover artist for this course. Francesco Sapio obtained his computer science and control engineering degree from Sapienza University of Rome, Italy, a couple of semesters in advance, scoring summa cum laude. Now, he is studying a Master of Science in Engineering in Artificial Intelligence and Robotics. He is a Unity 3D and Unreal expert, a skilled game designer, and an experienced user of the major graphics programs. Recently, he authored the book Unity UI Cookbook by Pact Publishing, which teaches readers how to develop exciting and practical user interfaces for games within Unity, and a short e-guide, What You Need to Know About Unity, Pact Publishing. Furthermore, he has also been a reviewer for the following books: Unity Game Development Scripting, Pact Publishing, and Unity 5.x by Example, by Pact Publishing. Francesco is also a musician and composer, especially of soundtracks for short films and video games. For several years he worked as an actor and dancer. He was a guest of honor at the Theatre Brancaccio in Rome. In addition, he is a very active person, having volunteered as a children's entertainer at the Associazione Culturale Torraccia in Rome. He also gives private lessons in mathematics and music to high school and university students. Finally, Francesco loves math, philosophy, logic, and puzzle solving, but most of all, creating video games, thanks to his passion for game designing and programming. You can find him at www.francescosapio.com. Abdelrahman Saar graduated with a BSc in Computer Science in 2012. After graduation, he worked for the video game company Everyone Plays, where he participated in the programming of a couple of mobile games. Later, in 2013, he moved into the challenging role of lead programmer with the video game company Apps Innovate. Apart from his full-time job, Abdelrahman recently started his own startup video game company called Robonite. In this video course, there are 3 projects presented: a platformer game, an RPG-style game, and a tower defense game. Their purpose is to teach you Unity 2D game development with a practical approach. In Section 1, Sprites, the basic element of 2D game development, you're introduced to the basic elements of 2D game development in Unity, sprites. In the next section, Animating a Sprite in Unity, explains how to animate a sprite in Unity and how to trigger different animations depending on the state of the character. Section 3 deals with 2D physics in Unity and uses it to achieve believable movements. Section 4 introduces the tiled map editor by showing the workflow, and it concludes the platform game. The next section will explain the basic concepts needed for creating an RPG game. Section 6 introduces you to basic artificial intelligence techniques and completes the RPG game. Section 7 explains the basics for creating a tower defense game. The second-last section of the course dives into more detail about creating a user interface for your games, with particular focus on the tower defense game. The final section wraps everything up and completes the tower defense game by explaining gameplay elements and makes all the elements interact with each other. This course is for those who have got the basics of 2D development down. Push your skills with the projects in this hands-on guide. Diversify your portfolio and learn the skills needed to build a range of awesome 2D game genres. This is a practical and easy-to-follow guide that starts with the basics and gradually delves into the process of creating 2D games, with step-by-step instructions on how to build 3 games, followed by a detailed explanation of each example, you will understand the concepts not just in theory, but also by applying the knowledge you gain in practice. By the end of the course, you will be able to explore and understand the vital role of sprites in 2D games, and also move, animate, and integrate sprites into a 2D platform game, and set up user interfaces, UIs, to keep track of the progress through the game. You will learn the foundation of level design and quickly create 2D maps, thereby discover NPC design, event triggers, and AI programming. Finally, you will create an epic strategy game, challenging all the skills acquired. Throughout the course, you will need Unity 5.4.2 to create your game. So let's begin this journey together, and I hope to see you there.